Today's topic fuel cell. Combustion of fuel is directly converted into electrical energy. General representation for H2O2 cell. Here fuel H2, oxygen O2, electrolyte KOH, inert electrodes, graphite electrode containing Ni and NiO. Okay. At anode, oxidation takes place. At cathode, reduction takes place. What is the meaning of oxidation? That is loss of electrons. Reduction means gain of electrons. Okay. In the anode side, we are passing hydrogen gas. In the cathode side, we are passing oxygen gas. Okay. Okay. When you are passing hydrogen and oxygen gas, okay, the hydrogen gas releases electrons. Okay, and forms H plus ion. So here we are taking two molecules of hydrogen. So each hydrogen leaves 2 electrons. So 4 electrons plus 4 OH. Okay, forms 4H2O. Okay, here forming 4H plus. Here removal of 4 electrons. Here 4H plus is forms. That 4H plus ion reacts with 4OH. It forms 4H2O molecule. Okay. Then reaction at cathode. Here we are passing oxygen, then 2H2O molecule. The electron is moves through the external circuit and reaches the cathode. So that 4 electrons. Oxygen plus 2H2O plus 4 electrons. We are getting 4 hydroxide ions. Okay. 2H2O plus 4 electrons. It forms 4 hydroxide ions. Then overall the reaction, so cancellation of the 4OH, 4OH, 4 electron, 4 electron, 2H2O, 2H2O, balance 2H2O. So 2H2 plus O2, we are getting 2H2O. Okay, the excess of water removes from through this outlet. Okay, so this is the fuel cell H2O2 cell. Okay. Next, lead storage battery. Here anode is porous lead, cathode lead dioxide, electrolyte dilute sulfuric acid. On discharging, anode oxidation takes place. So Pb gives Pb2 plus 2 electron. So what is the anode? Anode is a lead. That lead leaves 2 electrons, form lead 2 plus ion. That lead 2 plus ion reacts with the SO4 2 minus ions of electrolyte, forms PbSO4. That deposited on the electrode and plus 2 electron. Okay, that Pb2 plus ion reacts with SO4 2 minus ion of electrolyte, forms PbSO4 plus 2 electron. Okay, then on reduction takes place at cathode. What is the cathode? PbO2. That PbO2 plus 4H that accepts 2 electrons which release the anode. We are getting Pb2 plus 2 H2O. Okay, Pb2 plus H2O. Next, that Pb2 plus also combined with SO4 2 minus ion forms PbSO4. So the overall reaction is Pb2 plus 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have to cancellation. You are getting Pb plus PbO2 plus 4H plus gives PbSO4 plus H2O. Okay, here plus. Okay, Pb plus PbO2 plus 4H plus 2SO4 2 minus gives 2 PbSO4 H2O. Again, anode is a lead, cathode is a PbO2, electrolyte H2SO4. And discharging, oxidation takes place at anode, reduction takes place at cathode. At oxidation, the lead releases 2 electrons, form Pb2 plus ion. That Pb2 plus ion reacts with SO4 2 minus ion of electrolyte, form PbSO4 plus 2 electron. On reduction, that 2 electron which releases from the anode pass through the circuit and reaches the cathode, and PbO2 plus 2 4H plus 2 electron, we are getting Pb2 plus H2O. The Pb2 plus ion which we get from the reduction also react with SO4 minus ion. We are getting PbSO4. Okay. On cancellation of the 1, 2, 3, 4 reactions, we are getting Pb plus PbO2 plus 4H plus 2SO4 minus 2 minus gives 2 PbSO4 2H2O. So while on charging, the reaction will be reversed. Thank you.